What if a single, simple drink could keep belly fat from returning? No workouts. No extreme dieting. Just water. And one added ingredient. Sounds unrealistic? Stay with me. The science behind this could completely reshape your mornings. And if you're new here, tap that subscribe button now. We break down real health science. No filler. No empty claims. Only what truly works. Alright, let's dive in. Every morning, millions wake up, look at themselves, and ask the same question: why won't this belly fat go away? They exercise. They cut back on food. They try everything. Yet the belly remains. Here's what most people don't realize. Belly fat isn't only about calories. It's tied to inflammation, cortisol spikes, insulin resistance, and a slow metabolism that hasn't fully turned on. And the solution? It begins the moment you wake up. Before you eat. Before you drink coffee. Before anything else. Now, here's something important to understand. Not all fat behaves the same. The fat around your abdomen, especially the deeper layer surrounding your organs, known as visceral fat, is highly active. It doesn't just sit there. It continuously releases inflammatory substances into your bloodstream. That's why belly fat is strongly connected to heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and hormone imbalances. And here's the frustrating truth. Visceral fat is one of the hardest to lose, yet one of the easiest for your body to store. So what actually causes your body to hold on to belly fat? 3 key factors. First, elevated cortisol, your stress hormone. When cortisol stays high, your body is signaled to store fat around your midsection. Second, insulin resistance. When your cells don't respond properly to insulin, excess sugar in your blood gets converted directly into fat. And third, ongoing inflammation. This silently slows your metabolism and interferes with the hormones responsible for burning fat. Until you address these root causes, no diet or workout will give lasting results. That's why your morning routine matters so much. When you wake up, your body is still in a fasted state. Your cortisol levels are naturally at their peak. Your metabolism is just beginning to activate. This short window right after waking is the most powerful time to either push your body toward fat burning or fat storage for the rest of the day. And most people, without realizing it, make the wrong choices during this time. So here's the drink. And before you assume it's something rare or expensive, it's not. Everything you need is probably already in your kitchen. Take a full glass of warm water, not cold, warm, and add the juice of half a fresh lemon. Then mix in half a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, a small pinch of cinnamon, and, if you can tolerate a bit of spice, a tiny pinch of cayenne pepper. That's it. Simple. Affordable. And very effective when you understand what each ingredient does inside your body. Let's start with warm water. Drinking it first thing in the morning activates your digestive system, helps flush out overnight toxins, and slightly raises your core temperature, signaling your metabolism to start working. Cold water, on the other hand, forces your body to use energy just to warm it up, creating a mild stress response. Warm water supports your body instead of challenging it. Now, let's talk about lemon juice. Fresh lemon juice is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. But in this drink, its real strength comes from citric acid and a compound called naringenin. Research shows that naringenin works like a natural trigger for fat burning. It helps reduce fat buildup in the liver and improves how your body responds to insulin at the same time. Lemon also creates an alkalizing effect once it's processed by your body. This helps lower internal acidity, which is a key driver of inflammation. Now, apple cider vinegar. This ingredient has been studied extensively, especially when it comes to reducing belly fat. Its main active component is acetic acid. And its effects are impressive. It helps limit fat storage in the body. It improves insulin sensitivity, allowing your cells to absorb glucose instead of turning it into fat. It reduces blood sugar spikes after meals. And it sends signals to your brain that help control appetite throughout the day. A study published in Bioscience, Biotechnology and Biochemistry found that people who consumed vinegar daily for 12 weeks had noticeably lower belly fat, smaller waist measurements, and reduced blood triglycerides compared to those who didn't. This isn't hype. It's backed by research. Now let's look at cinnamon. Many people see it as just a flavoring, but it's far more than that. Cinnamon is one of the most effective natural compounds for improving insulin sensitivity. It contains active elements like cinnamaldehyde and chromium, which act in a similar way to insulin in the body. This allows your cells to absorb sugar more efficiently. Your blood sugar stays stable. And there's less excess glucose available to be stored as fat. Cinnamon also has strong anti-inflammatory effects, directly targeting one of the main causes of belly fat we discussed earlier. Even small daily amounts have been shown to consistently lower fasting blood sugar over time. Now, if you include a pinch of cayenne pepper, here's what it adds. Cayenne contains capsaicin. This compound is thermogenic, meaning it slightly increases your body temperature. As a result, your body burns more calories just to cool itself down. It also helps reduce appetite, lowers levels of the hunger hormone ghrelin, and has been shown to specifically target visceral fat over time. Multiple studies confirm that capsaicin can lead to measurable reductions in abdominal fat, even without major changes to diet or exercise. Now here's where everything comes together. When you combine these ingredients and drink them first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, the effects stack together. At this time, your cortisol levels are already high. The lemon and apple cider vinegar begin working right away to reduce inflammation and improve insulin function. Cinnamon starts balancing your blood sugar before your first meal, so your breakfast causes a smaller spike in insulin than usual. The warm water has already activated digestion and helped your body begin its natural cleansing processes. And the cayenne kicks your thermogenesis into gear for the day. In just the first 10 minutes after waking, you're setting up your body's hormonal environment. Instead of moving into fat storage mode, your body shifts toward fat burning. And when you repeat this every morning, that small shift builds over time into results that can truly change your life. This drink alone won't cancel out a bad diet. It can't replace quality sleep or regular movement. What it does is remove the hidden hormonal and inflammatory blocks that keep your body from burning belly fat, even when you're doing everything else right. Think of it as unlocking a door. You still have to walk through it. The people who get the strongest results are those who combine it with simple, healthy habits. Sleeping 7 to 8 hours. Eating mostly whole, natural foods. Moving your body every day. Even light activity like walking. When this drink becomes part of that base, the results can be powerful. There's one more key point that often gets overlooked. Consistency is what truly matters. Your body won't change in a few days. Hormonal balance. Improved insulin sensitivity. Reduced inflammation. These things take time and build step by step. Most people try it once, see no instant change, and quit. But those who stay consistent for 30 days often notice real differences. A smaller waist. More energy. Fewer cravings. And mornings that feel easier. Give your body time to respond. Stick with it. The science is real. The results are real. All you need to do is show up every morning and make the drink. So tomorrow, before you reach for your phone, before coffee, before anything else, take 5 minutes and prepare it. Warm water. Fresh juice from half a lemon. Half a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. A pinch of cinnamon. And if you're willing, a small pinch of cayenne. Stir it well, drink it slowly, and let your body handle the rest. If you found this useful, share it with someone struggling with stubborn belly fat. It might be exactly what they need. Subscribe if you haven't yet. We publish real, science-based health content every week. No gimmicks. No shortcuts that don't work. Just clear, honest guidance on how your body works and how to take care of it. See you in the next one.